Want to know why some YouTube videos get way more watch time than others? The secret might be YouTube chapters. They help viewers skip to exactly what they need, boost your SEO, and even appear in Google search results. The problem? Creating them manually means watching your entire video, taking notes of key moments, and formatting everything perfectly. Today, I'll show you how to create perfect YouTube chapters in seconds using AI. quso.ai gives us two super easy methods to create chapters with AI. First, using the Generate Clips feature, which actually creates video clips and chapters simultaneously. Second, using the Generate Written Content feature, which automatically creates timestamps for your description. Let me show you both. Start by heading to quso.ai, log in to your account, and click on Create AI Clips. Upload your raw video or paste a YouTube link. I'll use this podcast episode for our demo. Now click Generate Clips and watch the magic happen. quso.ai's AI analyzes your video content. Once complete, you'll see something like this. A list of chapters with timestamps and titles. Notice how each chapter has a catchy title that summarizes that section? These make perfect chapter markers. Simply copy these timestamps and titles and paste them into your video description. Your chapters will automatically appear in your video's progress bar after publishing. The second method is even faster if you just need the chapters without creating clips. Head to Generate Written Content in quso.ai. Again, upload your video or paste a YouTube link, then select timestamps from the content type options. In about a minute, you'll get something like this. A complete set of YouTube chapters ready to copy and paste. No watching, no manual work, no formatting headaches. These timestamps are already in YouTube's required format. Just copy the entire thing and paste it into your video description. And you're good to go. Quick pro tips for perfect YouTube chapters. Always start with 0 as your first chapter. Keep chapter titles short but descriptive. Under 40 characters works best. Aim for 5 to 10 chapters in a typical video. Too many can be overwhelming. If you don't love the AI generated titles, you can easily edit them before copying. And there you have it. 2 super easy ways to create YouTube chapters using AI with quso.ai. No more watching your entire video multiple times or struggling with manual timestamps. Which method will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more such tutorials that make content creation easier. See you in the next one.